Previous lecture we have seen bubble sort. In this lecture we have seen the insertion sort. This is the second technique to use for sorting. Insertion sort is performed by inserting a particular elements at the appropriate position. In insertion sort, the first iteration start with comparison of first element with the zero element. In the second iteration, second element is compared with zeroth and first element. In general, in every iteration, an element is compared with all elements, and this procedure is repeated for all the elements in the array. The first one, that is a of 1, is inserted either before or after a of 0, so that a of 0 and a of 1 are sorted. In the past 2, a of 2 is inserted either before a of 0 or between a of 0 and a of 1, or a of 1, so that the element a of 0, a of 1, a of 2 are sorted. In past 3, a of 3 is inserted either before a of 0 or between a of 0 and a of 1, or between a of 1 and a of 2, or after a of 2, so that the elements a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3 are sorted. That means each pass one of the element is sorted. In the first pass, a of 0 and a of 1 are sorted. In second pass, a of 0, a of 1, a of 2 and a of 2 sorted. In third pass, a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3 are sorted. In pass pass n minus 1, a of n minus 1 is inserted at a proper place in the sorted sub-array. Then a of 0, comma, a of 1, comma, a of 2, dot, 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 a of n minus 2, so that after insertion the elements are sorted. Each pass one of the element can sorted format. Here the example. The example is 23, 15, 29, 11 and 1. In the step first, in the first iteration, the first element 15 is compared with 0th element, and 15 is inserted at 0 place, since 15 is smaller than 23. In the second iteration, the second element 29 and 0th element 15 is compared, since 29 is greater than 15, and nothing is done. The second element 29 is compared with first element 23. Again, no action takes place, as a 29 is smaller than 23 is smaller than 29. In the third iteration, third element 11 is compared with 0th element 15, and since 11 is smaller than 15, it is inserted at 0th place in the array, and all the elements from 0 till second position are moved to right by one position. In the fourth iteration, the fourth element is compared with 0th element 11, since first smaller than 11, and then fourth element is inserted at 0th place in the array, and all the elements from 0 till third are shifted right by one position, and the array now become a sorted array. Firstly, this 15 can compare with 23. 15 can compare with 23. 15 is smaller than 23, and that's why both have changed their positions. You choose second element, that is 29. 29 is compared with 23 and 15. both are small, that's why 29 having there is no change the positions. After 11, in the first 3, 11 can compare with 23, 15 and 29. Each and every time that swap it, and 11 comes to the first position. Then 1 is compared with 4 elements, 23, 15, 29 and 11, and 1 is goes to the 0th position. Here the first iteration. In the first iteration, 23 and 15 both are compared, and 23 and 15 both are compared and swap their locations. In the second iteration, 29 is compared with 15 and 23, but 29 is big. 29 is big, both of them, and that's why there is that position is not changed. 29 that having there is no positions are change of 15, 23 and 29. These 3 elements are sorted in the second iteration. In the third iteration, there are 4 elements are sorted: 15, 23, 29 and 11. 11 compares with 15, 11 compares with 15, 11 compares with 23 and 11 compares with 29. Firstly it compares with 15, and you can see that 11 is small than 15. That's why 11 can change their position to the 0th location, and 15 can change their position 0 to 1, 23 can change their position 1 to 2, and 29 can change their position 2 to 3. In the fourth iteration, 1 can change, 1 can compare with 15, then 1 can change their position to the 0th location, and 11, 15, 23 and 29 can change their positions as incremented by 1 positions. In this way the insertion sort is work. Now the program implementation of insertion sort. Void insertion sort. Integer numbers, integer array size, array underscore size. The numbers, that is nothing but the list of elements, and array size is number of elements in the list. Integer I comma j comma index. Integer I comma j comma index. These are the 3 variables that are used into a program. For I is equals to 1, I less than array minus array underscore size, semicolon I plus plus, means I start from 1 to the size, to the array size. Index is equals to number of I. Index is equals to number of I, means the first element stored into the index, the first number or first element that stored into the index. J is equals to I, means j is nothing but the value of j is the value of I value is 1, while j greater than equals to 0, and numbers of j minus 1 greater than index. These are the 2 conditions here: j greater than or equals to 0 and numbers of j minus 1 greater than index. Means first here the condition is check into numbers of j minus 1. What is j minus 1? Here the example 23 is j minus 1. J value is 1, 1 minus 1 that is 0, means a number of 0 that is 23, and index, the value of index is 15. That is index is equals to number of I, the value of I is 1 and number of 1 means 15. 23 greater than 15. Here the one of the condition is true in a while loop, and the second one condition is j greater than 0. Yes, the value of j is 1, 1 greater than equals to 0, and both of the conditions are true. Then number of j is equals to number of j minus 1. Number of j is equals to number of j minus 1, means the number of j, the value of number of j is the value of number of j is the number of j minus 1, the value of number of j minus 1 is 23, and to swap or to change their position or to change their location to the number of j is equals to j minus 1. The value of j is 1 minus 1, that is 0, means to store the value number of j is equals to index, means the value of index is nothing but a 15, and 15 can store into the number of j. That means the value of 23 and 15 are swap here. 15 and 23 are swap. Then the value of I is incremented by 1. The value of I is 2, and 2 less than array size, yes, that is condition is true. Then once again to start, index is equals to number of I. The value of I is 2, number of 2 is, the value is 29. J is equals to I, that means the value of I is 1, and the J is value also, sorry, the value of I is 2, the J value also is 2 greater than 0, yes, condition is true, and number of J minus 1 greater than index. The number of J, the value of J is 2, and 2 minus 1, that is 1, and index value is 29 and 23. Comparisons, here the false, the index value is false due to the reason of this. Once again the value of j is j minus 1. The value of j is 0, sorry, the value of j is 1 minus 1, that is, sorry, 2 minus 1, that is 1, and the value of j is 1 greater than also 0, condition is true, but number of j minus 1 greater than index, the condition is false. Then outside, the number of j is equals to index, means the position of value cannot change. Here the 29, the value cannot change their position due to the reason of 15 and 23 are small. Previous values 15 and 23 are small. So we continued this way, 4 iterations to got the sorted list. Now analysis of insertion sort. If the initial file is sorted, only one comparison is made on each iteration, so that the sort is big O of n. And if the file is initially sorted in the reverse order, the worst case complexity big O of n square. And since the total number of comparisons is n minus 1 first time, n minus 2 second time, plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equals to total comparisons are n minus 1 into n divided by 2, which is big O of n square, means nearly n square comparison. If the elements are 5, then you can compare 25 times. The average case or the average number of comparisons in the simple insertion sort is big O of n square. Okay.